Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage, from which you can directly start from various different game modes. Now, if you wish to turn off notifications that you receive on your device from the game, then in order to change this setting and turn it off, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on Game Settings, and you will now see the notifications menu. Just tap on this option, and now you can either choose to turn off all notifications from the notifications option by setting it to off, or you can also choose to turn off various different kinds of notification categories individually. After choosing either one of these options, the notifications will be turned off and you can go back to your game. And after you close this, you will not receive those notifications on your device anymore. You can come back to this menu and enable these once again if you wish to do so in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.